say something about nature. Nature is a gift given by God. It is a precious gift to all of us living on the earth. Nature is a beautiful world that surrounds us. It includes trees, fragrant flowers, blue sky, fish, and animals. Nature gives us fruits and vegetables to eat. Tree gives us oxygen and help make the air clean.
Nature gives us clean air to breathe. It provides fresh water for drink.
Nature is full of beautiful colors. Flowers blooms in many shades.
Nature changes with the seasons like summer, winter, and rain.
Nature is the gift given by the God. It is the most important things in the world. The nature helps us to live. It gives everything to human and any creature.
It protects land from soil erosion.
The sky changes from blue to orange.
We should never harm nature and always keep it safe. Thank you, friends.